Today we are gonna fix Dead by Daylight initialization error on Xbox problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to clear persistent storage and MAC address. To do this, we press the guide button, then go to the profile and system and then click on settings. Click on device and connections. Then select Blu-ray. After that, click on persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. We go back to the previous page and then go to general. Click on network settings. Then advanced settings. And finally, alternate MAC address. Click on clear and then restart the console. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to log out of our Xbox account and log back in. To do this, we press the guide button and go to the profile and system section. After that, we can sign out of our account by clicking on sign out. I cannot show this part because I am recording the video. After logging out of your account, you can log back in and check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution does not work for you, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to reset Xbox. This solution has helped many people on Reddit to solve their problem. It may take a bit longer than the other steps, but it can solve your problem. To do this, open settings. Then click on system. Click on console info. After that, click on reset console to reset your console. You can make this step easier by clicking on keeps apps and data. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.